Hey everybody, it's Lisa. So I haven't done a plan with me video in ages, probably over a year. So I have my brand new planner for 2025. I figure let's go ahead and start decorating and get the show on the road. So this is a Gingerbread planner. I did a video on it a few months ago. I did a flip through of this planner and another one. Love it, still love it, but I'm getting ready to dive in. This is the All About You page. I thought I would decorate this first. And I didn't fill in my details yet because obviously this is going to be all personal. I am going to go use a bunch of my products here. I have a bunch of rub-ons from Tapeology. I have some stickers from Grabby. And I have one of my little expandable file folders with a lot of papers and stickers in here. So I'll be diving in here to grab my supplies. I'm going to set most of this video to music because it's very hard for me to talk and craft at the same time, especially when I'm not feeling especially talkative. So if you want, you can pause the video and grab your planner and start decorating, or just even start doing some, art or whatever you feel like, or you can get some good ideas from me. So I'm gonna turn this over with some background music. And today I plan on showing you how I decorate the opening page. Guys, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll answer them later on. Okay, take care. Thanks for watching.
On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close. I'm just a beautiful ghost. I love you, you know this. I thought you had noticed I'd never make the move. Leave it all up to you, 'cause I'm good at mistakes. I don't wanna take the blame, leave it all up to you. Don't wanna get over you. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so good, when you always see me through. On Saturdays I'm lonely, but it's my fault. You say you wanna hold me, but I'm scared to get close, baby. I'm just a beautiful ghost. Ooh. And if one day I come through, all of my dreams will come true. Don't know how I hide it so castle. It's you, me, and Picasso. It'll take some time to find the right pieces, but I see the bigger picture. It's on your heart imprinted. How do we go about walking the distance when we grew up having it all in an instant? Special things happening more than an instant. So how do we go about walking the distance? You water the roses that I bring every morning. We both try the same. And when the painting is crooked, we gently only push it. We don't take it that